Dear student, this is the second part of acidity of phenol. In first part, I have explained that why phenol show the acidic character. If you want to see that video, I will share the link in the description box. So let's discuss about the effect of substituent on acidity of phenol. As we all know that stability of phenoxide ion is responsible for the acidic character of phenol. Here two major factors are there which affect the acidity of phenol. So that two major factors are number one, nature of substituent, and second factor is the position of substituent. So these are the two major factors which are responsible for the stability of phenoxide ion, due to which the phenol shows the acidic character, because the acidity of phenol is depend on the formation of phenoxide ion. So we are going to discuss one by one these 2 points. So first point is nature of substituent. So how the nature of substituent will affect the acidic character of phenol. So let's discuss the first point, the nature of the substituent which affect the acidity of phenol or acidic character of phenol. So as we know that acidity of phenol depends on the stability of phenoxide ion. These are the structures of phenoxide ion. So in first case, if an electron withdrawing group is present, let's see A is the electron withdrawing group. So when an electron withdrawing group is substituted on the phenoxide ion, it will push the electron toward itself. Because of that, it decreases the intensification of negative charge, or we can say because of the electron withdrawing group, the dispersal of negative charge will occur. So it means that it decreases the intensity of negative charge on this phenoxide ion, due to which the stability of phenoxide ion will increase. So in short, we can say that presence of electron withdrawing group will increases the stability of phenoxide ion. So how it increases the stability? As we know that electron withdrawing group, they will withdraw the electron from the ring and they will decrease the negative charge, the overall negative charge which is present on the phenoxide ion. So when the negative charge is get stabilized or it is dispersed, it causes the stability of phenoxide ion. So when the stability of phenoxide ion increases, it increases the acidic character. So it means that if an electron withdrawing group is substituted on phenoxide ion, they will cause the dispersal of negative charge, they will withdraw the electrons, or they will tend to attract the electrons toward themselves, due to which the stability of phenoxide ion will increase, and when the stability of phenoxide ion is increased, the acidic character will automatically increase in case of phenoxide ion. So if an electron withdrawing group is present, the acidic character of phenoxide ion will increase. Next we will discuss about the second condition, in which if an electron donating group is present. Suppose this B is an electron donating group. So if an electron donating group is present on the phenoxide ion, they will intensify the negative charge. As we know that phenoxide ion is already rich in electron, the negative charge is present in the ring. So when again a electron donating group will substitute on the phenoxide ion, the overall negative charge will increase. So that is why I have written, if an electron donating group is present, then it intensifies the negative charge. So due to which the stability of phenoxide ion will get decreased. So if the stability will decrease, the acidic character will also decrease. So this is the case. If an electron donating group is present, the acidic character will get decreased. But if an electron withdrawing group is present, the acidic character will increase. So here A is the electron withdrawing group and B is the electron donating group. This is the first case where the nature of the substituent will decide the stability of phenoxide ion. The second condition is the position of substituent. How the position of substituent will affect the acidic character of phenol. So this is the second factor. As we know that in phenol, 3 positions are there: ortho, meta and para position. So if the functional group will substitute on these position, how it will affect the acidity of phenol. So this we are going to discuss in the second point, because the position will also affect the acidity of phenol. If the same functional group is substituted at different position, it will affect the acidic character of phenol. So let's take an example of nitro group. If the nitro group is present on ortho position, para position and meta position, then how it will affect the acidic character of phenol. So let's see, if NO2 group, nitro group is present on ortho or para position, how it will affect the acidic character. So this is the first condition where NO2 group or nitro group is present at ortho position. So this is the structure of presence of nitro group at ortho position in the phenoxide ion. So due to resonance, the delocalization of electrons will take place. So let's see how this resonance, delocalization will take place. So this is structure 1, this is structure 2. So here you can see this bond is broken and the electrons, they will move at ortho position. So again the electrons, they will enter inside the ring and this bond will break. So this is the third structure where the negative charge is present at the para position. Again delocalization will take place and movement of electron occur in the ring. So this is the fourth structure where this electron, they will form a double bond with nitrogen. So due to which this bond will break and oxygen will get a negative charge. So this is the structure 4th. So again due to resonance, the 5th structure will form. So here you can see when the nitro group is present at the ortho position, it withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring. So because of that, it stabilizes the phenoxide ion. So here the nitro group which is present at ortho position will withdraw the electron from the benzene ring and it causes the dispersal of negative charge. So due to resonance and dispersal of negative charge, the stability of phenoxide ion will increase. So we can say that if the nitro group is present at ortho position, it increases the acidic character because it stabilizes the phenoxide ion. So this is the first case where nitro group is present at ortho position, in which the delocalization of electrons takes place. So due to which the dispersal of negative charge occur in the benzene ring. Now let's discuss the second condition, if nitro group is present at para position. So let's see how it will affect the resonating structure of phenoxide ion. So this is the first structure. When the resonance will occur, the delocalization of electron will take place. So this is the second structure. Again the shuffling of electron will occur. So this is the third structure. Now again the movement of electron will occur. So this is the fourth structure. Now let's go to fifth structure. So this is the fifth structure, where you can see again the delocalization of electron takes place very easily. So here at para position also the delocalization takes place very easily. At para position the delocalization of electron will occur, due to which the dispersal of negative charge will take place, which increases the stability of phenoxide ion. So if nitro group is present on ortho or para position, it increases the stability of phenoxide ion. Now let's discuss the third criteria, if nitro group is present at meta position. So this is the third criteria. So this is the phenoxide ion with nitro group at meta position. Let's see the resonating structure for this meta position. So this is first structure. Now let's draw the second structure. So this is the second structure. Again reshuffling of electron will occur. Due to delocalization of electron, various resonating structure will form. Let's see the third structure. So this is the third structure. Again the movement of electrons will occur. So this is the final resonating structure, fifth. So here you can see there is a no electronic contribution of nitro group if it is present on the meta position. So here you can see if the nitro group is present on the phenoxide ion, the conjugation of electrons will not extend up to oxygen. So the electrons, they will move inside the benzene ring only. There is no prominent effect of nitro group on this phenoxide ion. So it means that if a nitro group is present at meta position, it does not affecting the delocalization of electron in the ring. So because of that, the acidic character of phenol will not be much affected if nitro group is present at the meta position. While we have seen that in case if nitro group is present at ortho and para position, the delocalization of electrons will occur on the nitro group also. So here at meta position, the nitro group does not contribute in the conjugation of phenoxide ion. So due to which we can say that greater resonance stability at ortho and para position as compared to meta position. So ortho and para position, there is a great resonance stability. But in case of meta position, the nitro group does not contribute much to the benzene ring. So because of that, we can say that if this nitro group is present at ortho and para position, it increases the acidic character of phenoxide ion. But when it is present at meta position, it does not affect the acidic character of phenoxide ion. So by this discussion, we can conclude that the position of substituent is very important for the acidic character of phenoxide ion.